Do you want to be successful in dating a Bisaya girl or guy?
Then watch this video and we'll tell you how.
My name's Gary.
I'm Reancy.
And welcome to our Basic Bisaya channel.
Today we will teach you how to say basic dating phrases in Bisaya.
So let's start with a nice easy one then. How would you say boyfriend or girlfriend in Bisaya?
We say uyab.
Uyab. So uyab you can use for both boyfriend and girlfriend, is that right?
Yes, it is.
Okay, that's great. That's nice and easy to remember then. So next, we need to find out if they've got a boyfriend or girlfriend. So how do we ask? Do you have a boyfriend or girlfriend?
Naa kay uyab?
Naa kay uyab. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Naa kay uyab. Do you have a boyfriend or a girlfriend? Another way to ask if someone is single is
Single pa ka?
single pa ka. So in this example, we're using an English word at the start, which is also acceptable. So please use that one if you find this one very easy to remember. Single pa ka means, are you single? There are two answers to the questions that we have asked you. The first way to answer is by saying that I don't have a boyfriend or a girlfriend. And we say that in Bisaya by using
Wala ko'y uyab.
Wala ko'y uyab. I do not have a boyfriend or a girlfriend. And the second way to answer the question is by saying that you do have a boyfriend or girlfriend. And we say in Bisaya,
Naa ko'y uyab.
Naa ko'y uyab. I do have a boyfriend or a girlfriend. How to say, what is your phone number in Bisaya?
Unsa imong phone number?
Unsa imong phone number? What is your phone number? So how do we ask someone to go on a date? What would we say in Bisaya?
Pwede ta mag-date?
Pwede ta mag-date? Can we go on a date? Pwede ta mag-date? So when you're on your date, you need to know how to compliment them. So how would you say, you are beautiful in Bisaya?
Guwapa ka.
Guapa ka. You are beautiful. And then you can say, you are very beautiful. So how would we say that one?
Guwapa kaayo ka.
Guapa kaayo ka. So now we need to know how to compliment a guy. So the first one we would use is, you are handsome. And we say that in Bisaya by using
Guwapo ka.
guapo ka. The next one is, you are very handsome. And we say
Guwapo kaayo ka.
guapo kaayo ka. You are very handsome. So next, we need to tell them that we like them in Bisaya. So how would you say, I like you?
Ganahan ko nimo.
Ganahan ko nimo. I like you. If you'd like to say, I like you a lot, or I like you very much, you would say,
Ganahan kaayo ko nimo.
Ganahan kaayo ko nimo. I like you very much. How to say, I want you in Bisaya?
Gusto taka.
Gusto taka. Or you can say, I want you very much, which is
Gusto kaayo taka.
Gusto kaayo taka. I want you very much. This is how you express that you care about the person. You would say,
Pinangga taka.
Pinangga taka. I care about you. And then we can say that you really care about them. So how would we say that?
Pinangga kaayo taka.
Pinangga kaayo taka. So the last phrase, and the most important phrase we're going to teach you today, is how to say I love you in Bisaya. So how do we say that one?
Gihigugma taka.
Gihigugma taka. I love you. Now we can also say I love you very much in Bisaya. And how would we say that one?
Gihigugma kaayo taka.
Gihigugma kaayo taka. I love you very much.
Thanks for watching our video for basic Bisaya dating phrases.
Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy our content, and click the notification bell if you'd like to see future uploads when we post them. Thanks guys for watching, hope you have a great day. That's bye from us.
Bye!
Bye!